old friends. Hello, everyone. This is Baker. Let me take half hour to 1 hour introducing our machine. We are now back from Spring Festival holidays. Working is working today, formally working today. Okay, my old guys. Hello, my old guys. This is Baker. We are spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City, South China. Welcome to take your patience, take your time to get a rough idea, a clear idea about our machine and their abilities. Okay, this is Baker. We are spring machine manufacturer in South China in Dongguan City. Okay, hello, all guys. We are spring machine manufacturer, and our machine make the regular spring and the special spring, tailor-made spring, and also tailor-made products as like wire bending, wire forming products. So if you have tasks, you have a plan for this is at the early stage of this year. If you have a planning for the coming spring machine, coming industrial equipment purchase, you can contact me at my WhatsApp, at my WeChat. Okay, we are spring machine manufacturer. All the samples on the table, we can make by different machines. Okay, this is Baker, export sales manager. We are spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan, South China. Today, temperature is presently temperature about 20 Celsius degree, so it's comfortable in South China. We just over the Spring Festival holidays, and now it's working. We are spring machine manufacturer. Our machine have the spring coiling machine, spring forming machine, and wire bending machine. It's making regular springs, industrial, daily work, household, sports, every field have the spring in mass using. So, firstly, let me show you some of the examples made by our machine. For this one, the regular compression spring. This is compression spring, regular shape compression spring, and as well in variety of shape. Okay. This one, compression spring. We now have the machine covering the feeding length, the wire feeding length from 0.08 max to 10 millimeter. For materials, also material in different materials, firstly tell you the shape of the material as the round wire, and the flat rectangle, and for the round wire from 0.08 millimeter max to 10 millimeter, flat as well, flat for different types as compression spring, this compression spring, this one, using in every field as like industrial, cars, vehicles, trucks, and industrial equipment, also the sports equipment, and the daily use as like ballpoint pen, like this straw. This have a compression spring in here, lotion pump, trigger sprayer, also have a have this one compression spring inside, as well like perfume, lotion, shampoo, trigger spray for alcohol, the bottle, alcohol, the trigger spray, ballpoint pen. So we have compression spring and the spring foam, compression spring machine and the spring foaming machine, and this one, the heavy duty, this one, the heavy duty for the wire with wire rotary, usually as like 12, 13 or 14 axes. This Camless wire rotary with spinner, 8 sliders, and this one goes for wire 2, wire diameter 2 millimeter, max to 8 millimeter, compression spring with wire rotary, this one. Okay, and on the table, ready type of samples. Okay, we are spring machine manufacturer, and this is my contact. This is my contact. You can add my WhatsApp, add my WeChat. Okay, if you have interest, we every year, every summer, we will attending Guangzhou International Spring Industry Exhibition. Guangzhou International Spring Industry Exhibition. This is our catalog. We are professional spring. We are professional spring machine manufacturer. Our factory founded in year 2005. In year 2005. So we have very type of the machines and with to export it countries and regions, over 35 countries and regions. This is our machine, This is our machine, okay? Every summer, we were attending Guangzhou International Spring Industry Exhibition, Guangzhou International Mental Wire Procession Equipment Industry Exhibition. Every summer during May or June, in early stage of May or June, in Guangzhou International Spring Festival, Spring Industry Exhibition. Our factory in Dongguan City, located in Dongguan City, about 55 kilometers from Canton Fair site to our factory. Okay, my friend. Okay, my friend. Okay. So, if you have the special tasks, you can send me your drawing or send me your sample pictures. We will provide the solution, provide the professional solution for you. Okay, we will provide professional solution. Send me your drawing, send me your sample pictures. We will provide you 2 or 3 models in different prices, according to your budget level. We will choose. You can make the choose among of them according to your budget level. Okay, this one, we are spring machine manufacturer. Okay, and next show you the samples. All the same, every of samples, we can provide a professional solution. This, the flat, this one, the flat strip are similar to constant force using in car seat self belt. Car seat self belt. This one. A similar the one constant force spring. in using car seat self belt or as well mechanical watch, tape measure, spiral, constant force spring. Take a closer look. Stainless steel flat spiral spring. This the blender, juice blender or egg blender, juice blender wire bending. And this chuck, heavy duty, 7mm carbon steel, heavy duty carbon steel chuck. Vehicles, heavy load, 7mm. Tight, two-stage tight ropes, central, straight line in central. Carbon steel, double hook, side, both of length, central hook. Extension spring, this extension spring. And this one, the camp, ground stake, 4 corners ground stake, this one. This regular column shape compression spring. Also, like this one, anti-vibration suspension spring in mountain bike. We now have 2 axis, 4 axis compression spring machine covering the feeding wire length 0.08 max to 8mm for compression spring. Tell you a rough idea of key parameters of the compression spring for the wire thickness, the OD, outer diameter, the pitch, the tight loops, the total length, and the compression spring, anti-vibration, as well like this compression spring using an anti-vibration. This one using in sports high jump cushion, high jump mattress. This one anti-vibration suspension spring. Okay, this is the irregular torsion, double torsion spring. Irregular torsion, double torsion spring. Spiral, this the spiral. So we can provide various solutions. As if you have a drawing, send me your sample pictures. Send me your drawing. We can provide professional solution for you. We are spring machine manufacturer, middle-sized in Dongguan, South China. Our factory founded in year 2005. Middle-sized. we goes out of no, mostly our models no stock, get the orders, then making the machine take about 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Then machine installed down, go run up, put on the tools, go sampling, and after sampling, you can come to our factory for a free using training. After training, we will dispatch the machine. We do. Presently, in recent years, we did a lot of deals as provide customized solution for clients. Extension spring. This extension spring and wire bending, wire forming products. Okay, wire bending and wire. This we have the special machine. This we have a special machine. This is goes for the pipe clamp, pipe clip, pipe clamp, or pipe clip. This one and this spiral. Wire bending products. This wire bending products. Leg time, leg teeth, agriculture purpose, a lot of deer for the heavy duty spring forming machine with wire rotary. We did a lot of, most clients are using for mass producing agriculture leg time, leg teeth, agriculture leg time, leg teeth. This agriculture for the wire size, wire thickness, 4 millimeter to 10 millimeter, 4 millimeter to 10 millimeter. This one, leg time, leg teeth in different shape, but all are used in agriculture purpose to crack the hay for harvester, such as agriculture purpose. Leg time, leg teeth. For example, this machine. For example, this machine, leg time, leg teeth, at a rate about 12 pieces per minute. Leg time, leg teeth. Extension, heavy duty pro spring extension spring, and using in trucks brake system. Trucks also have a car's window shader, wiper, have an extension spring for car's screen wiper. The wire bending products, the wire bending products, wire bending products. The tight loops, we call this one like an earthworm, This sleeve spring, this sleeve tight loops, extensions pro spring, tight loops, using in the site with high humidity, high temperature, protect inside the single wire or power wire, protect its isolation layer. This we call sleeve spring, sleeve spring. The wire bending products, wire forming flat, stainless steel 1.6 millimeter at lead using to produce this one at least about 15 pieces per minute. The torsion spring, torsion is double torsion spring. The wire bending products, regular compression spring, as well we have this conveyor belt, stainless steel, the sample in my hand, 2.5 stainless steel, 2.5 millimeter stainless steel, single hook at both ends. Total length almost 1.7 meter. 1.7 meter. We can make it a special requirement from length 30 centimeter max to 2.5 meter at different lengths. So for a while, mostly goes 0.4 max to 2.5. We now have 6 models machine in mass producing conveyor belt chocolate coating chain well matched at different size. This one 2.5 millimeter stainless steel. This 1.3 meter and this 1.7 meter. 1.3, 1.7 meter. This is a full period. We can extend the pitch as you wish. So the length according to your requirement. We can make it as different lengths according to your drawing, according to your requirement. And this one, the flat honeycomb. This the flat honeycomb. Conveyor belt bending machine. We now have 6 models for conveyor belt bending machine. Conveyor belt chocolate coating chain for chocolate coating, chocolate enrolling. So my offer we do a lot of customized according to the client special requirements. We are spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City, South China. Our factory provide the free using training. Once you get the order, once you ordered our machine, installed, sampling done, you can come to our site for we provide a free using training, and for the foreigners, the training take 3 to 6 days mostly. If us max to 8, max to 9 days, provide free using training. In Dongguan City, the daily cost, the daily expenditure for foreigners about 30 to 60 US dollar per day, including the hotel fees. Okay, next I'll show you our related documents and our machine lineup. Hello, all guys. Next, I show you our machine catalog and different series of our machine. I'll show you. Okay, let's. Hello, all guys. In this angle, I'll show you our machine. This is my contact. We are spring machine manufacturer. Add my WhatsApp. If you are interested, add my WhatsApp. Send me. If you have an inquiry about the machine, add my WhatsApp. Send me inquiry. Send me your sample pictures. Send me your drawing. Add my WhatsApp. Send me your drawing. Send me your drawing, your files. Okay, this is my contacts, my WhatsApp, my WeChat. And this is my, for more details, you can add my WeChat, add my WhatsApp. You can also send me your drawing to this email site. For more videos, you can visit our video bank at youtube.com, my site, my YouTube site, for more sampling videos, for more introduction of our machine, of our factory, of our special customized tasks, for more our ever successful deals. You can also have online talking with us, with me at Facebook, or visit more videos at my YouTube video bank. This page telling our Camless spring forming machine. This page telling our Camless spring forming machine. First, show you number one, number two. Number one, number two, Camless no wire rotary. Number three, number four, Camless with wire rotary. And all the samples we can make, If you have the same one, send me your drawing, or similar one. We can provide the professional solution for you. This one, the cam type with wire rotary, and the samples like this for the agriculture purpose, the lake teeth, mostly claimed by these sellers for the agriculture purpose, for lake teeth. A sample like this, the wire bending, wire forming products, according to your special drawing, according to your special using site. For a wire 0.5 max to 6 millimeter. This is the can type series, 6 models. First line can no wire rotary for in different capability for a wire 0.2 max to 4.5 millimeter, and the baseline can type with wire rotary. The baseline can type with wire rotary. For the complicated products with bending wire twisted, as well for the regular compression, extension, torsion, double torsion, wire forming products. And this is the spring quality machine. This is the spring quality machine. Spring quality machine. 2 axes, 4 axes, and 6 axes, and the samples in variety of shape: regular, special, tower shape, conic, or flat, oval shape for using site as like ballpoint pen, lotion pump, alcohol, perfume, lotion, and for mold. Also, for example, this is the mold using in industrial machinery, and this for T-wheel, for sleeve spring using nearby the engine, car's engine, protect the layers, isolation layer. Compression spring. We now have 2 axes, 4 axes, and 6 axes. Okay. This page telling our special developed, special researched, as like first one, number 1, conveyor belt related, conveyor belt chocolate coating chain, wire mesh in variety of wire size, variety of shapes, conveyor belt, chocolate coating chain, chocolate enrolling, biscuit, bread, candy, snacks. Number 2, plastic pipe clip or hose clamp. Pipe clip, hose clamp, wire size 0.5 max to 3 millimeter. Number 3, wire straightening machine. Wire straightening machine. Wire length 1 to 3 millimeter. Number 4, tailed thread insert, thread sleeve making machine for length, for spec length M2.5 max to M8. This page, special telling the Camless 11 actions for conveyor belt related. Conveyor belt, chocolate coating chain, chocolate enrobing. So, this all in this page, we can provide you the professional solution. If you have the same one, if you have a similar one, send me your drawing, send me your sample pictures. We can choose several models of our machine according to your budget level. If you have an inquiry about those mass producing machine, send me your drawing, send me your sample picture, send me your inquiry. This wire bending, torsion, double torsion, and wire bending, wire forming products, all land can make by our machine. If you have the same one, have the similar one, send me your drawing. Okay. This wire bending, wire forming, 3-dimension products. If you have the same one, similar one, if you have inquiry about their made machine, send me your inquiry. Send me your drawing by WeChat, by WhatsApp. I'm Baker, export sales manager. We are spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City. Every summer, we were attending GuangJin International Spring Industry Exhibition every summer. So, you can, next time, once you come to South China, you can take 2 or 3 hours, come to our factory for deeper discuss, for talking related business cooperation possibility, face to face, come to our factory, talking about our possible discussion, possible cooperation. And this is our catalog. Every year we attending. Every year we attending GuangJin International Spring Industry, GuangJin International Mental Wire Procession Equipment Fair. Some of our machines. Here's some of our machines. You can see every of them, the models, the details, key parameters in Chinese, in English. So, for example, this machine, Camless 12 axis, max 4, 8 millimeter. We do a lot of deal export to the country, to every continent, as Americans, Europe, for countries as like Poland, Australia, Argentina, Brazil, Mexico, Australia, for using in mass producing the agriculture using site. Lake time, lactis for harvester for straw baler, like this one. Lake time, lactis for wire 4 to 8 millimeter. Lake time, lactis. Okay, this Camless 8 sliders, 1 spinner. So total, presented total 12 axes. We can also add one, here's a servo size. So then it goes to 10 millimeter. And the use control system, mostly English, Chinese, or Spanish, Russian. The whole machine wire goes to from rear to front, wire rotary, wire feeding, work panel, sliders, layer, slider, tool holder, tool, the spinner. Here's the manger. This is the manger. So the whole set tools, including the wire feeding tools, feeding roller, guiding plates, manger, then goes to manger. Here's the forming site. This is the forming. This is the forming tools, including the coiling finger, cutter, special shape tools, spinner tools, and the layer. So, whole set tools, including the feeding rod, wire feeding tools, and the shape forming tools, and the control system, Alukuchi, English, Chinese, Spanish, Portuguese, Russian. A lot of deer ever made for the agricultural purpose, leg time, leg teeth, or for heavy duty like leash, trucks, vehicles, pull spring, the brake system using in brake system for heavy loading. This one 7mm, 2-stage tight loops in the central straight line, central hook. As well like this, bending, wire bending products, okay? The whole machine. And for this series, show you some more details. This is the one. This one, wire bending, wire rotary, Camless wire rotary, number 4, model GJ80R, max 4, usually 13 to 15 axis, Camless with wire rotary. The whole set machine, wire decoil, wire rotary, wire feeding, then goes to work panel, the forming side, 8 sliders. So the whole set machine, this one, the whole set machine, including the wire decoil, wire rotary, wire feeding, work panel, 8 sliders, the forming side, mostly goes for agriculture use, harvester, straw baler. Okay, this one. If you have the heavy duty products, you can consider about this one or similar one in different size for bigger or smaller. Okay, this series reach a lot of countries. So once again, this is my contact. I'm a baker, export manager. My WeChat, my WhatsApp, my stand. You can also send an email to me, my standby email site, for more videos. For more videos, you can visit my youtube.com video bank, video site, or to have a face-to-face online discussion, online talking at Facebook site, WhatsApp, WeChat, YouTube, and Facebook. You can contact me at different ways. If you have the planning for the coming purchase, if you can add my WhatsApp, add my WeChat. Next time, once you come to South China, you can spare 2 or 3 hours, come to our factory. Let's have a face-to-face discussion, face-to-face talking, okay? Next time, once you come to South China, take 3 hours, come to our factory to check our machines check our ability. We can provide the professional solution for you. One more time. This is my contact. Okay, see you. Bye bye.
这是我们专业的员工一个师傅团队在帮我们推销这个大机器啊。那我们这个机器呢也比较多啊，有这个是666